Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of coconut bars with you. Keto coconut bars, let me say it more clearly. And they are delicious, they're simple. I'm just using 4 ingredients to make that, and don't start counting because people get too technical and then they come back with no, it's 4.5 ingredients and quarter to 5 ingredients or whatever. So it's almost 4 ingredients. It's actually almost 3 ingredients, but I'm afraid to say that. But it's simple, natural, beautiful, and you're going to love it. So let's go ahead and see how I make. So in a saucepan, I've taken 1 cup of fresh cream. I'm using the Amul brand. And to this I've added 2.5 tablespoons of erythritol. You can add a little more. I eat less sweet. I'm going to add a little more stevia later once I taste my mixture. This is coming to a boil. I want to reduce this and give it a condensed milk consistency where it can hold the coconut together well. Now this is 2 kinds of coconuts that you can find in India, desiccated coconuts. One is the fine one and this is a little longer or larger pieces. I didn't have the fine one, I have used the larger one, and I'm going to blend it and make a finer powder. So this is what it is. Now slowly my cream is getting thicker. You can see it holds well on the spoon. I'm going to add about 1.5 cup of dry coconut here that I have powdered. So it's not completely finely powdered, and I'm adding a little more as I need. Depending on how thick your condensed milk is or how much you thickened it, you want to add the coconut. So I felt like I needed a little more than 1.5 cups, so I've added like 1.5 tablespoon extra. And this is 1/8 teaspoon of a white rose essence because it goes really well with coconut. And when I was growing up, my mom used to make it like that. She used to make these pink coconut bars and they had the rose essence, so I'm using the white rose, and this few drops of stevia. So I tasted the mixture and I felt like it needed a little more, so I've added about 5 to 10 drops. And this is not a very concentrated brand, so make sure that if you're using something that is concentrated, you don't use as much. So I've divided the mixture into 2. I have a square dish here in which I have lined it with a parchment paper. I've divided the mixture into 2, and half the mixture I'm patting this down and making it even and flat, and the rest of it I'm going to add a red color. So this is a gel color that I'm using. You can use a regular color, it will work just as well. And mix it up, and when you think you have mixed enough, you want to mix a little more. This is what I'm saying from experience. You want it to be completely evenly colored, and I have used a small drop of that food coloring because it's a very potent food coloring. It will make it really dark and you may not like the color, so add as little as possible at one time. And if you want to add a little more, you can use a toothpick to add a little more of the color rather than putting whole another drop of the food coloring. Now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour or so. It doesn't take too long. I've got it out and here it is. I am going to put some silver foil. So this is an edible silver foil and it's very commonly used in India to decorate sweets and desserts. I bought this online on Amazon. I'm going to leave you a link, so if you want you can buy this. You have to place it very delicate. It is on a paper, so you take that sheet and just touch it to whatever dessert you're trying to add it to, and it sticks to it on its own. So I just try to not make it very even because sometimes the whole thing is covered and it doesn't look as good. I like that pink to peep through the silver foil. Also, I'm liking how the white, pink and the silver foil looks together. I hope you guys feel like trying this dessert out because it was so simple, just 4 ingredients, and the rest of it was all color and beautification. So let me know if you try it out, and I love to read your comments. So I hope you've liked this simple recipe. If you've liked the video, click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also share this channel with your friends and family. I try to make simple recipes. I'm also sharing vegan recipes these days. So if you're interested, stay tuned to the channel and also share it as I said. And thanks for watching. Bye.